Uganda, this Nile crocodile is coming ashore for a very important event. Her babies are about to hatch. Sharing her nest are some very special hatchlings. Ones with cameras in their eyes. They are here to record the relationship between a mother crocodile and her young. The spy hatchlings have been filming her for days as she waits for her real young to arrive. The calls of her babies synchronize their hatching, encouraging the whole brood to emerge at once. They are also cries for her attention. For 3 long months, she protected her eggs day and night as she waited for this moment. Now, she meets her babies for the first time. They are delicate and vulnerable. But they are not safe here. She must get them to water. Her solution is extraordinary. Despite having the most powerful bite in nature, she carefully gathers them in a throat pouch beneath a stockade of deadly teeth. She is as gentle as a croc could ever be. Safe in her care, tails dangling between her teeth, she takes them to water.